Hello. What do you want me to say? This is Mrs. Davidson, our good helper. Mrs. Davidson. Stephen has been fun having class, and the one thing he is so talented is dancing. And I want him to get into a dance class when he goes into junior high or sooner.
Me too.
Because he's very good. So keep it up.
This is my 5th grade class.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Annual.
Hi, I'm just a friend.
Just a friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
Daisy.
What?
Daisy.
Daisy?
Hi, I'm Lincoln. Hi, I'm Colton. Tony. Jessica. Andrew. Nick. Angelina. Myra.
Let's double check. Okay.
Okay, the girl in the blue. Okay. Okay, the boy in the red.
And the tumor. Yeah. The name's Domino's. That name is Kyle.
Okay. Where are we? Okay, you. Uh-huh. Steven? The guy laying down? Kyle. Okay. Guy in the white.
Trisha. Audrey. Rachel.
Chip. Okay, is that everybody?
I'm Sean.
I got you two, right? Yeah? Okay, have you guys all had a fun year? Yeah?
That's sometime. Me and him.
Are we all ready for 6th grade next year?
I'm ready for 5th grade. Me and him are 4th graders, and she is. The rest of our class, but they were bad. So they had
Oh, yeah? Now, is there any special things you guys have done this year that has really, really been extremely fun?
Yeah, having a party. Oh. Garbage
Okay, Bob, you want to say anything?
Next year, it's going to be my 6th grade class.
This is my crazy 5th grade.
Yeah, my crazy.
I have 4 of you that I'm going to invite to leave.
Okay. This is for the Mazer Mustangs. Inside the Mazer Hall. This was a new picture put in this year.
Hi, is this the grandmother again? This is Harry Yeller Wright again. I did talk to your daughter.
Can't believe they're actually out in this already. Oh, they've got the only person in the car now.
No, there's 4 people in it.
4 in the car.
Because I can see them still. They're